What's up, guys? In this industry of trading, when it comes to trading, first thing first that we need to understand when it comes to trading is what leverage is all about. When it comes to losing of money and making of money, most times some people don't actually know the meaning of leverage. If you actually know the meaning of leverage, you will not be losing and be making, money the way you are doing in the industry. Okay, let's say now that I have 1 is to 5,000 leverage. What profit do you think I'll be making? And if I should have 1 is to 1 leverage, what amount of profit do you think I will be making? And what amount of loss do you think I will be having in the market? Okay, let's say now the question and the understanding now is the meaning of leverage. Leverage is the amount of money that your broker offer to you to trade in the market. It's like having exposure in the market, because normally if you have one, the way it is in this industry is, let's say, what we normally have in this industry when it comes to market trading, we have brokers that offer 1 is to 3,000, 1 is to 4,000, and the higher that I've seen so far is 1 is to 3,000. And for me, what I normally use, I use 1 is to 100. 1 is to 100, you can neither go far, no, it's just in between. So I prefer going for 1 is to 100. But if you're losing money in this industry, all you should just do is just go and check your leverage. That is where you're losing money in this industry. And there's one fun thing that I love about this trading of a thing. There's one competition that I apply for, which is fundedness competition. These people, what they actually did is that they give you big amount of money, which is $100,000 to trade. It's a winning competition. Now, normally I have my profit account that I'm trading. Now I said, let me try, let me see. And when I go to the dashboard, I noticed that some people were making 180%, 200%, 300%. Already, I mean, 80%, and some people are making 120, 160%. I was like, what is going on? That is when I understand that leverage is very, 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 very important in the market. If you don't actually understand or know how to use leverage, it can either make you or destroy you. So what was I saying in the what was I saying? Now what I'm saying is that the marketers, they offer 1 is to 100 to us, and they are giving us $100,000 to trade with. That is, they are multiplying our account with 1 is to. But nevertheless, what they actually did is that in the trade in the platform, you cannot use more than 3 standard lot size, which is very, very good. Which is very, very good. Let's say you have you're trading with 1 million naira, or you're trading with 20 million naira. All you should just do, most time leverage does not actually matters in this industry. What matters is your perception towards the market. Normally, when they offer us that 1 is to 100,000 dollars to trade with, normally you can 1 is to 1,000 on a non with $100 account. You can, be using something like 50, 20, 80, be using that kind of. But they limited our. You can even use 5,000 size, 8,000 size, but they limited our loss size. One of the leverage, they limited our loss size, which is very, very important in this industry. It does not matter about your leverage, what the market offer to you, the leverage. What matters is that the ability for you to limit how far you go in the market. That is what matters in this industry. The ability for you to limit the amount of money that you have, the ability for you to limit it, like in terms of, maybe let's say you have 1 is to 100 and you have $100 account, and the market allow you to place lot size of 1 standard lot size, 2 standard lot size. But on a no, you know that this lot size is not actually good for me. What you should do is to reduce it. So normally what I'm trying to say is that it does not matter what the market offer to you, whether you take 1 is to 20, 1 is to 30, but what fits your account balance. You should know this. This trade I'm about to take, you should know that it's worth it. This loss size worth it. You are ready to accept the loss and the gain. But minus this forex industry of a thing, leverage is you going to the bank to borrow amount of money. You can actually buy a property with one. You can actually buy a property. Let's say you have 1 million naira. You can actually buy a property, like, let me say, a land. Yeah, you have 10 million, you have 80 million. You can actually go and buy land of 80 million, there's no leverage there. You can buy land of 10 million, there's no leverage there. 1 million, 2 million, there's no leverage there. But when you go to the bank and you tell the bank that you need 20 million, now you're expected to make times 20 of that amount of money that the bank offered to you. But in Braventure, that you did not able to go higher and you go below the amount of money that the bank now you are owing the bank. That is why you need to understand that leverage can multiply the amount of money that you have, and it can also multiply your loss in the market. Now you'll be holding the bank because you are not able to multiply. So leverage is not actually bad, but leverage is good. But the ability for you to use the leverage is what matters, and understanding the aspect of the business that you are going to, understanding the risk attached to the business they are going to. That is what matters in this store. You can go take any amount of leverage in this industry, no problem. Asset forex, beyond forex, but you should know the risk attached to the business that you are doing. That's what matters. Leverage is not the issue at all, but knowing what matters in you. I can have $100,000 to trade, and brokers can give me two. It's not because they gave me the exposure of to trade times 2 of my. That means I cannot use 80, 90, 50. No, it's just for me to understand that this loss that I'm taking, I should know the risk attached to it. Like in terms of knowing that if if this market did not go far, like I bought at 4,000, 5,000, like let's say I bought at 5, I buy at 5,000, and the market dropped down to I buy at 5,000 and I expect the market to climb to 10,000, and the market dropped down to 2,000. I should understand the risk attached to it. I should understand that this is the amount of money that I will lose. That is why forex calculator is very, very important. Now, before this market starts selling, I should know that if this market sells to this point, I will make this amount of money. If market did not sell to this point, start going up, I will lose this amount of money. Very, very important. That is why we have what forex calculator in this industry. You should know the amount of money you're willing to lose and the amount of money that you're willing to make, minus the leverage. Don't allow the leverage control you or deceive you that you not have exposure. No, but understand the risk attached to it. That is what matters, not even the leverage. But leverage is actually good in this standard, and it can either make you or destroy you. Be blessed.